Hey everybody, just a quick reminder, we're still giving away the Buzz Cooks embroidered towel all through December. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and leave that comment. We're going to pick a winner after every video from the comment section. So make sure you leave a comment so you have a shot to win this amazing towel. Good luck to you. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. You know, the other day I was on YouTube looking at some videos and I came across Justin Wilson, the original Cajun King. He was one of the original TV chefs for PBS back in the probably late 60s, early 70s. He always had his stick of, "I guarantee," he would say on every show how much you're gonna like his food. Anyways, I saw a video where he did a shrimp boil and it looks fantastic. So we're gonna do it today. Justin Wilson's shrimp boil. Stick around, we're doing it next.
How y'all are? I'm glad for you to see me, I guarantee. Today we're gonna boil a few shrimps.
All right, let's get started on this Justin Wilson Cajun shrimp boil that I guarantee you're gonna love. All right, we're gonna need a couple of lemons. We're gonna cut the ends off, and then we're gonna cut these into quarters. And we're gonna set those aside until we need them. Next, we're gonna get some beer. I got 2 cans of Miller Lite. I believe those are 16-ounce cans. And we're gonna take our Dutch oven. We're gonna put about 4 cups of water in it. And then we're gonna add the 2 cans of beer. All right, that's 1 can. We'll put the other can in there. Then we're going to drop in 6 slices of the lemon that we just cut up. We're going to turn that heat on to medium high. We're going to add a little bit of salt, about 2 pinches. And about 4 or 5 dashes of Worcestershire sauce. Give that a mix. Next, we got to get our spices ready. So we're going with 1/4 cup granulated garlic, 1/4 cup granulated onion, and 2 bay leaves. And we'll mix that real good, get that foam down. And once we start to get some action in that water, we're going to start to add our shrimp. They're going to cook pretty fast. But I've got some jumbo shrimps about a pound. Shell is still on and they are deveined. So we'll get those shrimp into the boil. We'll get our wooden spoon out and keep stirring this, because these are going to cook in about 4 to 5 minutes. You'll see they start to turn white. So I've got a bowl full of ice water standing by. And as soon as these shrimp are done, we're going straight into the ice bath to stop the cooking process. There we go. So we'll get all those shrimp out, let them start to cool down. Then I'm going to take them out of the ice bath, put them into a Ziploc bag, and I'll pop those into the refrigerator for 3 or 4 hours to make sure that they're nice and super chill before serving. You want them really cold when you're ready to serve the shrimp. Then we're going to get started on our homemade cocktail sauce. And for that we're going to need ketchup, Worcestershire sauce, horseradish sauce, Tabasco sauce, and some fresh lemon juice. So we're going to put about 1.5 cups to 2 cups of ketchup into our bowl. There we go. Now we're going to add a couple of teaspoons of prepared horseradish. A few dashes of Worcestershire sauce, and a few dashes of Tabasco sauce. And lastly, a squeeze of some fresh lemon. And we'll mix that up. You may have to add a little bit more horseradish. It's all up to you and your taste. But we'll pop that in the fridge as well for a few hours. And then once everything's super chill, we're gonna plate, we're gonna serve, and we're gonna have some of the best shrimp cocktail you've ever had in your life. I tell you, these shrimp are so good, they really don't even need sauce. That's how good they come up with all the seasoning. Anyways, enjoy this for any holiday, party, or get together. And we'll see you on the next video. Thank you very much. I guarantee you're gonna love these shrimp. Make them.